Welcome back to Vijay Academy. In this video, I will be explaining question number 28, which has internal choice. So let us learn these two questions in this video. So in question number 28, the first part is like this. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. So we have to find the length of the journey, which is the distance. Now to find the distance, here speed and time are also not given. Only the changes in the time and the speed are given. So let us first find the speed and time, and then we find the length of the journey, that is distance. So first let me take the speed and the time as x and y. So let the speed and time be, x km per hour and y hours respectively. So let us take speed as x km per hour and time as y hours. Therefore the distance equals to speed into time. So let us multiply x and y. So we get x into y kilometers. Now according to the first condition, so let us take this as case 1. Under case 1 the speed changes to, in the case 1 the speed changes to 6 km per hour faster. So it changes to x plus 6 km per hour. So in the case 1 the time changes to 4 hours less than. So time will be y minus 4 hours. So now according to the speed in the case 1, according to the speed and time, the distance can be calculated as, the distance will be the product of x plus 6 and y minus 4 hours, y minus 4 kilometers. Since the distance does not change, so the original distance is x into y. The case 1 the distance will be x plus 6 into y minus 4. Distance does not change, so we can equate these two. So we can write x into y equals to x plus 6 into y minus 4. Let us simplify this. So on simplification we get x into y equals to, multiplying the binomials, x into y, that is xy, x into minus 4 minus 4x, and 6 into y is plus 6y, and 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. Now xy and xy will become 0, because when you transpose xy to the LHS it becomes minus xy, therefore it becomes 0. Now let me take minus 4x and 6y to the LHS. So we get plus 4x minus 6y, and write minus 24 in the RHS itself. So we get minus 24. Now we have a common factor for all these terms, that is 2. So let us divide the entire equation by 2. We get 2x minus 3y equals to minus 12. So take this as equation 1. And now let us go to the case 2, the changes in the speed and time. So in the case 2 the speed changes to, the train were slower by 6 km per hour. So the speed changes to x minus 6 km per hour, and the time changes to, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. So it is more than, so we can write this as y plus 6 hours. And now the distance is equal to x minus 6 into y plus 6 kilometers. Again we can equate this distance to the original distance, since the distances does not change. So we can write x into y equals to x minus 6 into y plus 6. Now multiply the RHS. So we get xy equals to x into y, that is xy, x into 6 we get plus 6x, then minus 6 into y is minus 6y, then minus 6 into plus 6, that will be minus 36. Now again xy and xy will get cancelled, then transpose 6x and minus 6y to the LHS, we get minus 6x plus 6y equals to minus 36, and divide the entire equation by 6, so we get, that is minus x plus y equals to minus 6, and take this as equation 2. Now we got the two equations, 2x minus 3y equals to minus 12, and the second equation minus x plus y equals to minus 6. So the first equation is, so the two equations are 2x minus 3y equals to minus 12 and minus x plus y equals to minus 6. So let me multiply equation 2 by 2, so that let me write the equation 1 as it is. So equation 1 will be written as it is. So we get 2x minus 3y equals to minus 12, and the second equation, multiplying the second equation by 2, we get 2 into minus x, that is minus 2x, 2 into y, so it is 2y, 2 into minus 6, which is minus 12. Then let me add this equation now. So adding these two equations, 2x minus 2x will become 0, minus 3y plus 2y becomes minus y, and minus 12 and minus 12 becomes minus 24. Therefore minus y equals to minus 24 will give you y equals to 24. So y equals to 24, which is the time. Time is 24 hours. Now let us substitute in any of the equation to get the speed. So substitute y equals to 24 in equation 2, so that we get minus x plus 24 equals to minus 6. Transpose 24 to RHS, we get minus x equals to minus 6 minus 24. Therefore we get minus x equals to minus 30. Therefore it is x equals to 30. So speed is 30 km per hour. Speed equals to 30 km per hour. So we need to find the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time, that is 30 into 24, we get 720 km. So the length of the journey is 720 km. Now let's go to the next question. So second part of the question number 28. It is Anuj had some chocolates and he divided them into two lots A and B. He sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 2 per 3 chocolates and the second lot at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate and got a total of rupees 400. If he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate and the second lot at the rate of rupees 4 for 5 chocolates, his total collection would have been rupees 460. Find the total number of chocolates he had. Here let us take the number of chocolates in lot A and lot B as x and y. So let the number of chocolates in lot A and lot B be x and y. Therefore we can write the total number of chocolates are x plus y. Now let us go to the case 1. So in case 1 we are getting that he sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 2 per 3 chocolates for 3 chocolates. Rupees 2 for 3 chocolates. So 3 chocolates cost rupees 2. Then one chocolate will cost rupees 2 by 3. Therefore x chocolates cost 2x by 3. Similarly, moving on to the lot 2. So the second lot at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate. So In the second lot, one chocolate cost rupees 1. Therefore, y chocolate cost rupees y. So in the case 1, x chocolates will cost 2x by 3 and y chocolates will cost y rupees, and the total of that is rupees 400. Total of that is rupees 400. So we can add these two and equate it to 400. So we can write this as 2x by 3 plus y equals to 400. Let us simplify this by taking the LCM. So take the LCM, we get LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Therefore we can rewrite this as 2x plus 3y equals to 400. Transpose 3 to RHS, we get 2x plus 3y equals to 1200. Take this as the equation 1. Now we have the case 2. Let's move on to the case 2. So in the case 2 we have, in the case 2, he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate. So first lot is sold at the rate of rupees 1 per chocolate. So one chocolate cost rupees 1. Therefore x chocolates cost rupees x. Similarly, coming to the second lot at the rate of rupees 4 for 5 chocolates. So 5 chocolates cost rupees 4. Therefore one chocolate cost rupees 4 by 5. Then y chocolate cost rupees 4y divided by 5. So now we take these two together, that is first lot is sold at the rupees x and the second lot is sold at the rupees 4y by 5, and the total of this is 460. So let us add these two and write, we get, so in the case 2, on adding the cost of two lots, we will get x plus 4y by 5 equals to 460. Now simplifying this by taking the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So rewriting this, we get 5x plus 4y equals to 460, and transpose 5 to RHS, we get 5x plus 4y equals to 460 into 5, we get 2300. And now this is, let us take this as equation 2, and we have the equation 1, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 1200. So equation 1 and equation 2, to apply the elimination method, let us multiply the equation 1 by 5 and the equation 2 by 2. So on multiplying equation 1 by 5, we get 10x plus 15y equals to 6000, and multiplying second equation by 2, we get 10x plus 8y equals to 4600. Now let us subtract this. So to subtract, change all the signs. Plus 10x will become minus 10x, plus 8y will become minus 8y, plus 4600 will become minus 4600. So 10x minus 10x is 0, 15y minus 8y is 7y, which is equal to 6000 minus 4600 will give you 1400. Now transpose 7 to RHS, we get y equals to 1400 divided by 7, we get 200. So number of chocolates in the lot 2 is 200. Substitute this in any one of the equation to get the x value. So substitute y equals to 200 in equation 1. So we get 2 times x plus 3 times 200 equals to 1200. So transpose 3 into 200 to to the other side, we get 1200 minus 600, because 3 into 200 is 600. So now we get 2x equals to 600, and then x equals to 600 divided by 2, that is 300. So x is equal to 300. So number of chocolates in the lot 1 is 300, number of chocolates in the lot 2 is 200. So total number of chocolates are total number of chocolates equals to 300 plus 200, which is 500. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to the other students also. Thank you.